So it is Monday morning at about 7 a.m. I'm running into lots of technical issues first thing here. So captured several hundred gig of footage over the last 3 days across drones, across GoPros, DSLRs, phone, and I'm trying to sync all these things with Resilio Sync, and my computer seems to have disconnected from my sync group, which I don't know why, because it seems like it's still syncing, but it's gone from the management interface, having set up a new account, and my phone's app keeps crashing. So I don't know if I'm trying to push through too much data or if there's something else going on, but I'm really frustrated because I can't get the footage I need to actually edit the vlogs, so I might have to take a lot more time to take a look at this tonight. We're in Salt Lake City. It looks like we got some packages. Let's check them out. Package number 1 includes a 3-pack of Nest temperature sensors. Very nice. Hopefully this will eliminate the problem we have where our hallway is very hot and our bedroom is very cold, or vice versa. Package number 2 is very, very, very heavy. Let's see what's in it. Oh, it's so heavy. It looks like we've got hard drives. Let's see how big they are. 8 terabyte drives, so 32 terabytes that we're going to add to our collection. And we're going to try out these Nest sensors. Should we go get the mail, boo? As you know, Steph and I have been growing a little bit of a garden in our backyard. And we just did one of our first harvests. We now have radishes! Little baby radishes! Did a bunch of work in the yard, edited one of the vlogs and updated it, so we've uploaded 2 episodes today. I'm so exhausted from yesterday, I'm gonna get a good night's rest and get back at it tomorrow. Good night.